So yesterday I updated your grades with your Alex from the week before Thanksgiving. And then I think I updated to Aries, so you should be able to see all of that on Aries. All right, so we're going to put our iPads away. Day 2. Today is 11:29. We're already recording. I zoomed it in. Do we need the back screen or are we okay?
No, I can't keep from the book.
Yes. There's a sharpener over there by Sophia. Okay. Solve and graph.
I'm gonna need a new notebook. I only have like.
Why'd you need a bullet?
Same. I'm running low. I'm probably going to have to switch in about a week.
I'm gonna have to switch by the end of this week.
But make sure that you are using front and back of your pages. If you did not use the back, go back and fill in the back.
No, I use everything.
All right. Santa Claus can bring you. All right. So, yesterday we learned a very important skill with adding and subtracting of inequality. Today we're going to move on to multiplying and dividing. Okay? So it's very important that if you were absent yesterday to watch the video because it's a foundational skill. It's like adding. You need to know how to add in math. Yeah. All right, so what if I have 2x is greater than 26? So what does it mean? The 2 and the x together like so. What is operation is that? Times multiplication, right? So if it's multiplication that is given, how are you going to break it up? Division. Good. So, like yesterday, we're going to draw our bars. And this is how you show the work. And yes, I know you can do this in your head, but once it gets harder, you're going to rely on these easy skills. This is how you show division. You're going to draw a line at the bottom, which means division. Divide by 2, divide by 2. We do not, this is what we don't do. We don't do this. We don't go, if it's 2x greater than 26, we don't go divide by 2, divide by 2. We don't use that symbol. We do this. All right. Okay. So we have x, bring this down, the inequality. And then 26 divided by 2? 13. Okay. The math is easy. What I'm basically teaching you is how to show the work because they're going to get longer and harder. So therefore we graph it. 13, 12. We're only going to graph the ones in our notebook. I think for your classwork, I won't have you graph them. We did a lot of graphing yesterday. All right, open circle, and then shade to the right. Okay? So for your quiz, I don't know when I'm going to give it to you. I don't know if I'm going to give it to you Thursday or maybe just Monday. You're going to have to show your work, and then you're going to have to graph it. Okay? So like a lot of things are happening in one problem. Are we okay with this?
Yes.
What if I throw in a -5? Oh, no, I can't do that. Can't do that. 5, not -5. There is a difference, and I'm not ready to show you that. Is less than or equal to -15. All right, so what do I do? Divide by 5, divide by 5. So x is still less than or equal to? -5. So remember the Dorito man? Okay. All right, graph it. Remember, we're only graphing the ones in our notes today. It is. It's a 3-dimensional.
You did it to see if we were paying attention.
Yeah, total. No, I was trying to make it like 3D. You just didn't let me finish. You didn't let me finish, kids. Like, seriously.
That is a big 3.
Yeah, I want to be in your face. It is negative. Yeah, it does, huh? -3.
It's like a
Cheeto.
That looks like my
It looks like a sentence M.
Okay, here's what I want to know. Which number goes here and which number goes here? It's negative, so.
Negative 4, negative.
It's negative. So on the right, it's negative 2, negative 1.
Good.
And then on the left,
On the right,
because
Negative 4, negative.
I mean on the left. Wait.
on the left it's negative 4, negative 5.
Your other left?
If you start at 0, that goes 1, 2, 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Math.
Yeah, be careful. Be careful.
Taught us a lesson.
Open or close circle. And then
To the left.
to the left, to the left. Alright? We're okay? Alright, so this is when it's like 5x, 2x, 10x. When they're together, it's multiplication. Alright, so what if it starts looking like x over 4 is less than 12?
Oh, 4x. 4.
You multiply, right? So this line means division, right? So you have to do the opposite, which is multiplication. This is how you show the work. I know you can do the math. It's about showing the work. So we're going to multiply by 4. We're going to multiply by 4 because this means division. So the opposite is to multiply. And this is how we show multiplication. You use parentheses, you put it next to it with parentheses, because parentheses like this means multiplication. When they're together, there's no operation in the middle, so it means multiplication. This cancels out. It actually equals 1. Well, I guess, sorry, let me go back. When it's, you know how we divided by 5? What's 5 divided by 5? 1. So you're left with 1x, which is just x, right? Here, this would equal 1x. Yesterday, we wanted it to equal 0, right? X plus 0. Get rid of the 0. When it's multiplying and dividing, we want it to equal 1. All right. X is less than 48. So you draw. Remember, we're only drawing the number lines for the notes. We only got one more to do. Open circle, and then to the left. Brian, did you watch the video yesterday?
Yeah.
Did you hear me get mad at all the kids
Said he
like,
was
talking
like-
and talking?
Cap.
All right.
Nice to
Great.
Scores.
All right.
The scores are pretty good.
What's the score?
2-0 and like 2-1.
If I was there, it would be like
The
that.
Qatar
Wait.
game?
There's 2 games going on?
Yeah, at the same time. It's same thing with the out of 11.
Stadiums are like 30 minutes away
at
from
the
each
same
other.
time as America versus Iran.
And Netherlands and Netherlands
Versus Qatar is 2-0, and then
If I was there-
Ecuador and
If I was
Ecuador
there,
versus
we would be
Senegal
10-0 right
is
now.
2-1.
Yeah,
I mean, I
Senegal.
want Ecuador.
Poland against
No, I don't even have that.
And then you also play Saturday. That's the game we're gonna.
All right. X over 11 is greater than -3. Yeah, I mean, just turned it on and.
I know that you were recasting next.
Yeah, I was for my bigger classes.
Any questions?
If I was at the
No,
World Cup,
not right now.
it would be 10
Would
already.
you like to set up? I know.
Make it 11.
But Ariel would be the
Sweater.
Ariel would be the ref.
Oh.
Ariel.
I'm like warming up and seeing what's going on.
No, I'm wearing my cheap shirt.
I got mixed. Put up to a soccer match with the football.
Cowboys.
Bagel.
You go for the Commanders.
Don't know.
Miami. Don't think Cowboys Bears. You go for the Bears. Yeah, at least you beat the Rams. Yeah.
Cap.
Oh, I forgot to do the pro. Who's doing the pro?
X is greater than
Senegal got another
negative
one, or Ecuador tied it.
Joking. I don't feel like I'm not like that. We just told him. You already knew that.
World Cup time.
Bro, you like this so
Penalty. I think.
that.
They're gonna miss it. They're gonna kill. There's gonna be war with Iran and the U.S. So with war,
Still
Yeah, I
one.
they're
know.
gonna bomb us. No, I'm talking about the Qatar thing.
I know.
World War, not World Cup.
World War.
World War III.
That's what I got. Yeah, it's on my phone. That's everything I have PC. I know, bro. Like, for real, like,
I wanna have a tsunami.
Why?
Yeah.
Alright.
Nah, actually, I want to. Leslie, can you swim?
I didn't pull. That's the reason.
What's the answer? 33. Oh, never mind. Totally lied.
That's the reason.
I think they're gonna go.
Airplane.
Yeah, but they got Van Dyke. They got Mbappe, that De Jong.
I was thinking the white one. Alright, back to our regular schedule. Good thing you guys were from your Alex topics while I was having a conversation with the tech guy, huh? Good job. Alright.
I already completed my
Okay, x is greater than,
negative 33.
okay, and then negative 33, negative 34, negative 32.
You had to grab it.
Yeah.
She said we're gonna graph it every single time on the notebook except for maybe the classwork, right?
Yes, thank you. Alright.
Thank you.
Are we good? Alright.
easy.